Updating Zendesk custom fields one ticket at a time. That ends today. Here are 5 ways to bulk apply custom fields, from dead simple to seriously powerful. Managing custom fields across thousands of tickets sounds simple until you actually try it. Data migrations, recategorizing old tickets, rolling out new workflows. Each one demands bulk updates that manual editing just can't handle. Method 1. Zendesk triggers. These fire in real time whenever a ticket is created or updated, automatically setting custom fields based on conditions you define. Great for ongoing automation, but they won't touch existing tickets. Setting one up is straightforward. Define your conditions, pick the custom field action, and Zendesk handles the rest every time a ticket matches. Method 2. Automations. These run on an hourly schedule and are perfect for time-based updates, like escalating priority after 24 hours or marking tickets stale after 5 days of silence. Method 3. Bulk editing right in the Zendesk UI. No code required, just filter your view, select up to 100 tickets, and set your custom field value. Simple, but that 100 ticket cap adds up fast. Method 4. The Zendesk API. The Update Many endpoint lets you update 100 tickets per request, and you can script multiple requests to handle thousands. This is your power tool for large-scale operations. A few things to watch for with the API. Rate limits vary by plan, closed tickets are read-only, and bulk updates run asynchronously. Build in retry logic and monitor your job status to stay on track. Method 5. Eesel AI. Instead of writing rigid rules, you describe your logic in plain English. The AI reads ticket content and updates custom fields based on actual meaning, not just keyword matches, and it gets smarter over time. You can monitor exactly how the AI is classifying your tickets in real time. Test it on past tickets before going live and watch the accuracy for yourself. So which method fits your team? Triggers for ongoing automation, automations for time-based rules, bulk UI for small batches, the API for thousands of tickets, or eesel AI for intelligent classification at any volume with zero code. Ready to stop writing rules and start letting AI handle your custom fields? Try eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required. Visit eesel.ai and see the difference intelligent automation makes.